Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to learn how to download a published work and how to save it and so on. What published work are those ones like maybe articles and maybe you want to cite and so on. So right away let me take you to that site. For published work you come to a website like Google Chrome. Then in Google Chrome you also where the site where you can locate it, like Google Scholars. This is a site where you can locate it with Google Scholar. When you tap and open Google Scholar, but you can type in whatever the article, whichever you're looking at. Here is article, here is the case law. So our main focus here, we are going to look for an article. Let me just say article, like teenage pregnancy in Uganda. Let's search it and it's going to show us how teenage in Uganda. This is what okay, like this is the headlines and topic for which you want to search. Maybe there are many focuses about which one, and so you choose out of which one. Like for this one, this is predators of teenage pregnancy among girls aged 13 to 19 in Uganda, and geographic variation and risk factors for pregnancy in Uganda, and so on. Like these are the for this is the current year, and then 2025 is for the last year, and so on. Even there's also custom range where if you want maybe a duration of a year that you get from 2000 within 2000 to 2005, and so it depends on according to your choice. So this is where you can go. And for the case of maybe if you want to know the abstract of it all, you just come here, you look for the abstract and whether it is the site, is the maybe the article that you wanted on. So about 363 articles are in this form. And this is where we can look at it. This is the abstract. Like here is saying, teenage pregnancy and fertility are often debated on literature as a reason of health concern. And so this is where we look at it, whether it is this the one or what you should look for it. If it's not the one, then you go and search for whatever one. And for the case of downloads, if you want to come and download it, this is you see this drop down arrow, you click on it and it automatically takes you where you want to save it and show it. So for this time around, we are going to save it. Change background, class Adobe programs. We are going to go to desktop and then you look for your folder and then you save it. And then automatically it will download this. It will download the site that you want to. So currently we have downloaded it. New downloads available. It's already there saved. So it's already saved enough, and you can also come back. Maybe if you want to look for like maybe you want to cite, if you look for you look for the full view of the article, you can click there. So it's open. It's taking slow to open, but let's be patient. It's there. It will actually open. This is what we mean by obstacle. If you want to cite it and so on, like for this one here, saying as we should accept it all that is the cookies and for rest, and if you want to also accept it all this, and maybe you can do many viruses accept it too and so on. But for the case of download, you can download here. If you want to cite who cited it here, copy or print, and all options are there. So at this point we are not going to concern about that. So let me take you where we can have it. First of all, I was saying we have come back to where it was at first. So this is where it will be like in case if you want to download it and use those options and so on, save it or in your folder. That's how you will be saving it and save. Don't forget to like my video and hit the red button so that we can more updates like this video. So please keep me in touch more. I can release anything maybe in concern. And your comment section is where if you want which videos we focus in and so on. But as for now, this is where I'm going to take you on how you can download it and so please thanks. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the red button to like it, okay? Thank you so much. Have the best of your day. Like sorry, for example, if you want to cite, these are the options for citing and who cited by who. So you can also come and click this person's site. You see, it brings you the person who cited. They're here, for example, and you've seen them. You can choose whether you want like end note, Bible note, red note, and so on. Depends on your research all about. These are the citers who cited this in those years, and so please. Thanks as well. I gave that as to conclude. Thank you.